Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a viral Turkish TikTok recipe, the Anapol Turkish pasta. This pasta has been everywhere nowadays, you might see on your own feed, but these are all the ingredients that we're going to be using in today's video. So let's begin. First, we need 1 pound of ground beef. Put it in a pan and cook it. Keep cooking until the color changes, and this is important because when the color changes, you'll know that the beef is cooked and that it's safe to eat. I tried this stiff dog recipe and loved it. Easily customizable to your taste. You can add 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Stir these both continuously until the onion is translucent, meaning that you're able to see through the onion basically. Now personally to me, this recipe is a lazy dinner game changer. It's super simple, quick and delicious, and it's perfect for a chill night in. Next, you'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and then you can add chopped green onion at your own choice. At this point, you can add anything that you desire because everything will be amazing. Saute this for just 1 minute, and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything together so that everything is well seasoned and well cooked. To be honest, this was the only recipe I actually enjoyed making because sometimes I get really lazy, and this was really easy to make. The kids enjoyed it, and I made it under an hour. So, add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt according to your own taste. And mix this all really well together because you don't want this to be dry. Cook until the beef is tender and make sure that all the moisture is completely gone, as you can see from the video. And believe me, this recipe is amazing. Now remove the beef because it's already cooked now. Now moving on, let's make the butter sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of butter in a small pan and stir until the butter is melted. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and let this sizzle for about 30 seconds and then remove from heat or the stove. In a bowl, mix yogurt with black pepper and lemon until it's all smooth. And this is what's going to make your dish really seasoned because this is the sauce and it's really spicy and good. You can use minced garlic and a pinch of salt. I like this sauce without garlic and salt. Place the pasta on the plate. You can use any type of pasta you want. Anything works, honestly. It's all just pasta. Pour the yogurt over the pasta. Make it look a little bit pretty like I did. Drizzle the spicy butter sauce on top. This will make it so delicious. And then add the ground beef over the sauce. Now here I just added parsley around the edges and then add some tomatoes and chopped parsley. Add feta cheese for a fresh touch. The yummiest Monty pasta is ready to serve. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel because I always make content of cooking, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any other cooking videos. Look at that delicious pasta. I hope you try this because it was so easy and so fun to make.